Yes, yes, yes. Hey, it's Coach Dave. Welcome to Wolfpack 33. Workout of the day 220822. Today we're doing a 10-minute every minute on the minute. I'll go through the moves in a second, but let's do a warm-up together. We're going to do a 3-minute AMRAP. I'm setting the 3 minutes on my SmartWOD timer. We're going to do 5 air squats. Remember, the hips go back. Make sure you activate the glutes at the bottom. You're breathing in and out at the top. The knees track out over the pinkies, externally rotating those hips. So 5 air squats, then go down, walk out on your hands into a plank, do a push-up, and walk it back. That's an inchworm. Yeah, some beginners may have to modify that. We'll fix that. And then 10 jumping jacks. I also have a modification for the jumping jacks in the next round. We're going to do as many rounds as possible of this. This time I'm interlocking my fingers overhead. This is called a Samson Squad. You may feel yourself tip forward a little bit depending on your mobility. Let's take those glasses off. They were slowing me down. Inchworm. If you only have a partial push-up, just go as far down as you can still push your way back up. Being the old gray wolf here in my 50s, shoulders need a lot of warm-up. Let's go back to some air squats. How you doing today? You ready for a good workout? Hola from Mexico. I'm at my Airbnb in the tropics. It's hot and wet season. So you get your workouts in, hopefully in the morning while it's in the low 30s before it gets up to 40 with the humidex. Rains a lot in the evenings as well. Alright, so side profile on the air squat. Hips go back, knees track out. You can see my hip crease goes below my knee. I'm a low squatter. We're doing push-ups today, what we call uneven push-ups, so really take advantage of those inchworms. These are like side-to-side jumping jacks. It takes all the impact out of the knees and ankles. Just be careful if you need room, not to hit a doorway. I once nearly fractured my arm. I was doing that move, and it hit the metal of a squat rig. Metal versus bone. So yeah, be aware of what's around you. Let's get our last inchworm in here. Inchworms are very good. Builds that toughness in the wrist, elbow, shoulder for walking on your hands. You can add in push-ups. Doing a little pause squat at the bottom here for the hips. We're doing uneven squats today. We'll go through that. But 3-minute warm-up. Heart rate is up. Have a little sip of agua. Yo quiero agua frio. I want cold water. Yo bebo agua frio. I drink cold water. Okay, let's go through the points of performance on today's workout. Minute 1, we're doing 10 uneven squats, 5 each side. If you have a dumbbell, a kettlebell, a bag of books, you're going to put the weight off your center of mass. So on one of your shoulders, hopefully. I got a brute force sandbag here. Love this sandbag. If you want one, message me and I'll send you a discount link. So here we go up to the shoulder with a clean. Breathing at the top and bracing, and then you're doing 5 squats each side. We'll just do a couple here to show the mobility. What does this do? By putting the weight off of one glute, it affects your core, it affects your quads, affects your breathing. Doing off-balance work is great for balance. All right, so our push-ups. You can go down off your knees and then push up to table. Chest touches the bag, push up. You can use pillows, for example. What we're doing here as a modification is changing the height of the earth. Plank, touch the pillow, push up. So maybe you're doing the top half or top 2/3. Where's your push-up toughest? In the bottom. Maybe you're a little bit stronger, go all the way down, all the way up. That's another good one too. For regular uneven push-ups, one hand is on the bag, one hand is on the ground. Go easy on these if this is your first time. They are tough. You can use a ball, a medicine ball, a basketball, a bag. You could probably use your dumbbell or kettlebell. Just be careful. Safety first. Use your brain. So today, 10 uneven squats. You rest the remainder of the minute. Then 10 uneven push-ups. Rest the remainder of the minute. We're going every minute on the minute. Round A, you're doing squats. Round B, you're doing push-ups. We're doing 5 of each. That's how we're getting our 10 minutes. So I'm setting an EMOM on our smart WOD timer. Works on all phones. And we're going to get the work done. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Breathe in, brace, squat. Down, do the swing back up, clean it up, brace. If you're playing the home game, congratulations. Push through these squats. Feel the feet on the earth. Now we rest. Poquito agua, small drink of water. Get ready for your push-ups. Because we're doing 5 rounds of these, you can experiment a little bit with how you're doing them. But do your best today to get 50 push-ups in. 10 each round, the best ones you can do. Uneven day today. Will it feel weird your first time? Of course it will. That's why we're doing this. New stimulus. If you've been watching our videos for a while, you know my push-up game is not happy with it. Never been happy with it. So we're doing more of them every week until we get our push-up game where we want it to be. The mentality in CrossFit is work on your weaknesses. That's how you get everything better. You know, I have a pretty good 400-meter run for my age. We're not doing 400-meter runs today. All right, we're squatting. Starting with the opposite shoulder, just mixing it up. There we go, 10 squats in the bank. If you've been working on your eating, make sure you're eating 4 servings of protein a day. I have a private group called Silver Club. Every month I take 5 clients and I train them every day for 2 weeks. And we do 2 weigh-ins, and one of the main things we focus on is our 4 servings of protein. You know, at my body weight and age, I need 140 grams of protein a day for maintenance. That's a pound of meat a day, and I tell my clients, and some of them freak out, so we just count proteins in the beginning. So if you need help with your eating, message me the word silver, and I'll message you the details on Silver Club. It's a load of fun. It changes your eating and workouts. You have 2 good weigh-ins. Things happen. So let me know if you want to be considered for the next run of silver. All right, let's get our push-ups done. All right, round 2 is done. We're getting ready for round 3. I call it to my, when I train athletes for competitions, maintaining composure or restoring composure. You got to take 3 deep breaths slowly to get that consciousness back get the focus back and then do good work. All right, we're halfway through the WOD. That's round 2.5 of 5. And you can see by my shirt that the humidity is playing a factor. You know, growing up in Canada in a colder climate, a lot of our outdoor stuff, you're doing cold training and cool training. Heat training is a different stimulus. All right, round 3 of push-ups. They're starting to get sticky, so really focus. When they get hard, I remember some of my coaches from the early days focusing on flexing your glutes and really using those back muscles, engaging the back, the posterior chain, even though it looks like an arm and chest workout. Good. Round 3 done. Yo bebo agua frio. I drink cold water. We got 5 minutes left. 2 more rounds of each. All right, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Round 4. If you notice on round 4 here, I've got the opposite hand out, partially for balance and partially because I noticed it was harder to breathe than when I was holding the bag with both hands. So a little bit of fatigue, and I'm trying to improve my breathing. I don't have a scale here in Mexico, but I'm guessing my bag is somewhere in the 35 to 40 pound range. I think this is around where I had to reset my push-up. Let's see here. Yeah, there we go. That was 3. Oh yeah, they're getting sticky. Good work, Coach Dave. All right, catch your breath. We got 1 more round. Alright, my clock says 10 seconds, so I get my hand on the bag, get it up and ready, and then go to work. That's my mental cue, especially in later rounds. Whenever I hear the clock say 10 seconds, then I say hands, and I get my hands on whatever I'm lifting. Alright, last set of squats, let's go. Home stretch. Do you see me turn the bag sideways there? My brain was screaming and it said, "Oh, just do bag press push-ups. Don't do them uneven. You're tired." And I said, "Shut up, brain." Watch for that. The brain always quits before the body. All right, team, here we go. Last set of push-ups. There's 5 to go. Ooh, those last two were grindy. Good job. All right, we're finished. 10-minute EMOM. We won the day. Couple of deep breaths. Get your composure. Drink your agua. Our cool down today is go for a walk. Do a go water, mobility water, bit of yoga. Today, remember your 4 proteins. If you're interested in learning more about Silver Club, send me the word silver. You can message me, you can text me, you can email me, or you can just leave it below and I'll private message you. I have, I think, 2 spots left of the 5 for this week and next week. You won the day. I'm proud of you. Wolfpack 33, Coach Dave out. See you tomorrow.